Hey friends, if you wish to fix error occurred on GPU ID 0, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Here's what you have to do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers again. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay, this is so that you can install all the latest security updates and other optional updates. The next solution is an SFC scan. Why? Because what if the main cause behind the issue is missing files in the system? So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is performing a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Next choose a good restore point. Next and then finish and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.